What you doing, frequencies? Today's topic is how to take initiative. One of the benefits from going the extra mile is the emphasis it requires you to place on personal initiative. There are two types of people who never amount to anything. There are those who never do anything except what they are told to do, and there are those who cannot even do what they are told to do. The people who get ahead do things that should be done without being told. And they don't stop there. They go the extra mile and do so much more than expected of them. Personal initiative is absolutely necessary if you're going to realize your goal. It'll bring you advancement, attention, and opportunity. Keep in mind that personal initiative is contagious and personal initiative succeeds where other fails. When you stay true to your personal initiative, it creates work and opportunity. The time to begin exercising your personal initiative is the moment you decide upon your major purpose. Begin creating your plan of action. Start assembling your mastermind tribe. You may find that your purpose changes as a result of things you learn in accomplishing these tasks, but the most important thing is to begin work immediately. Procrastination is the arch enemy of personal initiative, and if you let it become a habit early in the game, it'll plague your every move. Do the best you can putting your plan into action and learn from your mistakes. If you need advice, seek out skilled experts and pay them for their counsel. The free advice you'll get on hand from your colleagues and friends, it'll be worth exactly what it cost you, which is nothing. I never wait or allow some outside force to trigger my actions, and nor should you. Of course, you'll have to respond to surprises in your competition, but you must be moving forward according to your own plan on a daily basis. Feed your burning desire with images of your successful self. Fan your flames so hard that they burn your seat, so that you won't be able to sit back in your chair and take it easy when you know you should be following up on your work from the day before. When a task is completed, examine it. Is it the best job you could have done? What might have made it better? Why don't you take that step right now? Clearly, personal initiative is a demanding quality. Its practice requires a good deal of mental resources. When your initiative is running low, you can turn to the principle which breathes life into it and restores every one of the others. And that's a positive mental attitude. Some of the other major attributes of personal initiative are the adaptation of a definite major purpose, the motivation to continuously be in pursuit of your purpose, a mastermind tribe to require the power to attain said purpose, self-reliance, self-discipline, persistence based upon the will to win, well-developed imagination, controlled and directed focus, the habit of prompt, definite decision making, the habit of basing opinions on known facts, not guesswork, the habit of going the extra mile, the capacity to generate enthusiasm at will and control it, having a well sense of detail, the capacity to listen to criticism without resentment, familiarity with the 10 basic human needs, the 10 basic human motives, the capacity to concentrate attention on one task at a time, assuming full responsibility for one's own actions, willingness to accept responsibility for the mistakes of subordinates, patience with subordinates and associates, recognizing the merits and abilities of others, a positive mental attitude at all times, the capacity for applied faith, the habit of following through, the habit of emphasizing thoroughness instead of speed, and dependability. So this combination of traits, if you will, are some of the key factors and sources behind how to take initiative. So in this moment, this very moment, I encourage you, no matter where you are, what you're doing, put your phone down, put your tablet down, put your laptop down, and get up and get moving towards your major purpose. I trust you. I believe in you. Peace. For sure, for sure.